The practice of patenting living organisms has sparked significant ethical debates. Proponents argue it spurs innovation by protecting investments in genetic research, while critics raise concerns about commodifying life and the potential consequences on biodiversity and natural ecosystems. The Oncomouse, developed in 1988, was a landmark in biotechnological advancements. This mouse was genetically engineered to carry a gene predisposing it to cancer, aiding in critical cancer research. However, its patenting led to discussions on the moral implications of altering animal genomes for human benefit. GloFish, the first genetically modified pets available for sale, glow in the dark due to the integration of fluorescent genes from marine organisms. Their introduction to the market in the early 2000s opened debates on the ethics of genetically modifying animals for aesthetic purposes. EnviroPig was created in the 1990s with the ability to digest phosphorus more efficiently, reducing the environmental impact of pig waste. While touted for its environmental benefits, the genetic modification of pigs raised concerns about long-term effects on animal health and welfare. The Belmonte mouse, engineered with an extra set of chromosomes, represented another step forward in genetic research. Patented in the 2000s, this mouse helped deepen understanding of chromosomal diseases, yet it also intensified discussions on the limits of genetic engineering. BioSteel goats represent a fascinating leap in biotechnology, modified to produce spider silk proteins in their milk. This innovation offers immense potential for creating ultra-strong materials, potentially revolutionizing industries like medical sutures and bulletproof vests. AquAdvantage salmon, genetically engineered to grow at an accelerated rate, was approved by the FDA in 2015. This development promises to enhance the efficiency of fish farming, potentially making seafood more accessible and sustainable as global demand continues to rise. The Dolly sheep, intriguingly modified to carry a human gene, underscores the intricate possibilities of genetic engineering. This modification aims to advance medical research, particularly in the production of pharmaceuticals and the study of genetic diseases. Terminator seeds, or sterile seed technology, pose a significant ethical and practical debate. By preventing the growth of second-generation seeds, this technology impacts farming practices, touching on issues of dependency on biotech companies for new seeds each season. BT cotton has been genetically altered to produce a bacterial toxin that makes it resistant to certain pests. This modification not only reduces the need for chemical pesticides, but also promotes more sustainable agricultural practices, though it raises concerns about long-term environmental impacts. Humanized pigs represent a significant advancement in medical technology, engineered to have organs that are compatible for human transplants. This innovation aims to address the critical shortage of human organs available for transplantation, potentially saving countless lives. The Xenomouse is a groundbreaking creation in the field of biomedical research, designed to possess a human-like immune system. This trait makes it an invaluable model for studying human diseases and testing potential treatments in a controlled environment. Golden rice is genetically modified to produce vitamin A, targeting the prevention of blindness in children in developing countries. This rice aims to combat vitamin deficiencies that are prevalent in regions where rice is a staple food but poor in micronutrients. Frostban synthetic bacteria were engineered to prevent frost formation on crops, an innovative approach to protecting agricultural productivity in colder climates. By inhibiting frost damage, these bacteria help in maintaining crop yields and reducing the reliance on chemical de-icers. The Rosy periwinkle has been patented not for a genetic modification, but for its natural derivatives that are effective in treating cancer. This plant highlights the potential of natural biodiversity in pharmaceutical development, leading to life-saving cancer treatments. TransPharm animals represent a revolutionary step in biopharmaceuticals, where animals are engineered to produce human pharmaceuticals in their milk. This approach significantly reduces production costs and accelerates the availability of essential medications, offering a promising alternative to traditional drug manufacturing methods. The development of fast-growing eucalyptus has transformed the timber industry by accelerating growth rates and reducing the time needed for trees to mature. This genetic modification not only boosts wood production, but also potentially aids in carbon sequestration, combating climate change. Xenomouse technology has paved the way for advancements in medical research by modifying mice to carry human immune system genes. This allows for the production of human antibodies within these mice, facilitating the development of treatments for a variety of human diseases. The GloChicken, a conceptual project, explores the possibility of engineering chickens to lay eggs with luminescent shells. While still theoretical, this innovation could open new avenues for bioengineering applications in agriculture and beyond, highlighting the vast potential of genetic modification. Drought-resistant corn has been a game-changer for agriculture in arid regions, allowing crops to thrive despite low water conditions. Patented by major biotech firms, this technology not only ensures food security, but also reduces dependency on water-intensive farming practices. The Cambia BIOS initiative represents a pivotal shift in biotechnological research and patenting. By promoting an open-source platform, it challenges the traditional proprietary models, encouraging more collaborative and accessible innovations in biotechnology, which could potentially democratize access to biotechnological advancements. Reflecting on the impact of biotechnology patents, it's crucial to consider both biodiversity and ethical implications. The balance between fostering innovation and addressing moral concerns remains delicate. As biotechnology evolves, it is imperative to reassess the frameworks governing these advancements to ensure they benefit all of humanity. What are your thoughts on the field of biotechnology?